Good afternoon, everybody. It is your girl Charlotte Stufuzalesihle. Today I'm outside. I'm the host of the Youth Empowerment Show at Lomusha FM. But office we are here in Zwelisha, where the African National Congress in Zone D is giving back to the community in style by celebrating Mandela Day. Bakwenda njani ke lokho? Singena kuphi style? Now, into bangaze bathi for free. You have to put style between see there somewhere. So today they're here giving an opportunity to certain individuals to train to become security personnel for free. Not just that, but some people are also going to be able to train to have their driver's license for absolutely zero rates. And this is possible because Gunima stakeholders again, Lafana is 40 from Nyamatane Security Services. So we're gonna find out from her, Guti, boy, now what are they bringing to the event today? Hi, sis 40 unjani.
Hi, sis
Ngiyaphila
so ngiyabingelela umphakathi.
Njengoba ke besengibutile sisikuthi, what is it that you guys are bringing today? Nina njenge Nyamatane Security Services.
Okay. As a Nyamatane Security Services, we have a training part apart from the security guarding. So, sibone kuhle ukuthi lo 67 minutes we Mandela Day nathi si contribute emphakathini since sikhona because of umphakathi. So nathi sibone kuhle ukuthi sise back to ona by giving ma free courses and training ku number of bantu bemphakathi labathile.
So, manje, do you perhaps have a number yokuthi bangaki mhlambe bantu le ndawo khona kubancane namuhla?
Oh yes. Sina 5 years for today.
And logo mhlambe, what do you think kutabasita njani lokuthi babe nayo le training?
Lengisho ngako kokuqala bayokhona kuletha kudletafuleni ngoba once sabatrainer bacetha definitely ngikhipha equality kumina vele.
Okay.
With no doubt even if they go to interview ngisho ukuthi bavele basho ukuthi they are coming from Nyamatane. So ngiyathi ukuthi batucashwa bathole umsebenzi and then babe sebayasebenza batokhona ukuprovide emakhaya. Lokho ngasinceda ukuthi mhlambe kwehlise nelizinga lebugebengu enzaweni ngoba ngithi siyomthatha simise emsebenzini that person. So dobe so ya provide nayo so yakhona ukuqhubekisa impilo.
Siyabonga kakhulu sisifuthi and to Nyamatane Security Services. There you have it again. But when you have something in hand, kungcono mawufika ukokota ube khona lokuphethe #home of inspiring content.